Alright, I'm making mango, DXN Uucha, and then Lingxi Coffee 3-in-1. Yan o. Lingxi Coffee. This is classic, and then Lion's Mane Uucha. Our DXN new products. Mushroom with tea. And then mango. And then condensed milk. And then sugar. And then cracked ice. So, let's shake. Mag-add tayo ng water para hindi mag-thicken. Para umikot lang.
Masarap din ah.
Yes, masarap talaga. Sobrang sarap niya, promise.
Ay, grabe. Ako nandiyan po ako tayo. Talagang
Yan o. Very yummy. And this is the finished products. Sobrang sarap niya talaga. See? Sarap yan. Partner. Look. Let me taste. Let me taste. Let me taste.